I have a hair stuck in my earring.
That's horrible. I hate hiccups. It echoes. They suck. Ow. Wonder how long this is gonna go for. It hurts my. What are you doing? Oh, did ya?
It sounds like you were laughing. It didn't sound like a hiccup at all.
Ow, it hurts. Why?
It's supposed to hurt.
Hiccup's supposed to be relieving of your body. It sucks.
Is it because do you have like oxygen in your lungs or something like that?
It's like
Like
a weird.
trapped oxygen or something? I don't know. Mom's gonna come in. What's that noise?
No, she knows that's me hiccuping. She's like, that's so damn annoying. I'm like,
Oh my god, you should
troll
be mine.
face.
You should be mine. Mine's horrible.
What?
How do you do that? How do you do
Move
that?
your jaw over.
Did you just hiccup? How is that concrete?
It's a wall.
Oh, I just hit my head.
It's not supposed to feel nice. I wish my whole room was like covered in what's it called? Velcro.
So you can throw yourself at the wall and stick?
I could sleep on my wall. I could do it to my ceiling.
Amazing.
I could do it to my ceiling and just lay on my ceiling. My mom walks in. Where'd you go? And boom, drop. Hi, Mom.
You just scare the shit out of somebody. Just lay your back on it and have your arms and legs hanging down. Be like it got stuck. Can you have me down? Yeah. I can't. I sound like a cat. I can't move my jaw over. Look.
Gotta like take this top and put it back and then move your jaw forward.
How the fuck did you do You can do it. I'm gonna die. Ow, I just punched out my eye.
That happens.
Dude, I'm the grudge. Everything floats down here. You know what movie that's from?
No.
It.
Oh.
I think that's how it goes. Everything floats. I don't know. It's something like that. Something about floating.
Like balloons?
No. Like dead bodies.
Oh.
Oh.
Where'd you stop? Where'd you go? No.
Ah! Ew, look at my hair.
Look at your face.
Yay!